What's going on, Joy fam? Make sure you stick around at the end of the video. I'm giving away a free fidget spinner. This is actually the one-on-one in the video. So with that said, hopefully you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you there. What is up, Joy fam? We're at Denny's. We're gonna go in. We're gonna see if we can win anything good. This is actually the Denny's claw kicker got kicked out of. So
is this the event?
Yeah, this is the one.
Oh wow!
I think he won an iPod from here, so we're gonna go check it out. Hopefully we don't get kicked out too. It'll be interesting.
Yeah.
Alright guys, this is the machine. We're gonna play it. Dude, look at this mini quadcopter. Is that not like the close prize? We're actually gonna go for these headphones right here. See if we can, ooh, you think we could pick it up with 2 claws? You wanna pick something up by 2 claws and be alright? Ooh,
wow. I think strong.
It is. Ooh, a fidget cube. A fidget spinner in the back. Oh my god, we gotta.
Yeah, I saw that. I was like,
we're gonna go for that fidget. Ooh. I wonder if I could hit this off the wall. Oh, what if I got in the loop? We're gonna go for that fidget. Ooh. I wonder if I could hit this off the wall. Oh, what if I got in the loop? Oh, that'd be so dope. Okay. You know what? We got 16 seconds. Alright, screw it. We're gonna have to swing it. Give it a little. Oh, that might be good. Come on, come on. Oh, a fidget spinner! No way! No way!
dude, that is
oh my
awesome.
god, first try. Dude, I've never played with one of these.
Neither have I.
Dude, we get to play with it right now.
I know, right?
Oh my god. I want a fidget spinner from a claw machine.
How much are those anyways?
They're pretty cheap.
Oh, are they? I always wanted to get one for
my
work.
ADD can be cured. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, it's kind of cool actually. Wait. Whoa, that's actually kind of cool. I can see it now. I get it. I get the trend.
Are you taking pictures?
No.
Oh,
I just didn't want to be in the way.
oh yeah, no problem. Nice. That is so dope though.
Dude, I got a perfect view too. Like I zoomed in and everything.
Sweet. Got a fidget spinner. Nice. I know these are kind of like I'm late on the trend, but I don't know. I think it's cool. So
I think it's still kind of trendy though.
yeah.
Somewhat trendy.
Let's go for this cube over here. Oh, I'm gonna really have to swing it. What else? Is there any more fidget spinners? There's this one back here, but I'm gonna see if I can get in the loop. See what I'm trying to do?
Yeah.
My time, 8 seconds. Alright, screw it. We're gonna go for this fidget spinner, I guess. Oh, come on, get it off. Oh, that was close. That was really close. Alright. If I could get it inside the loop, you know? It's hard to maneuver, but. Oh, man, I got a rock though. Did I get a rock? I got a rock.
You got a rock.
I don't think this is rigged.
I don't think it is either.
Alright, screw it. We're gonna see. Shoot, we're just gonna go for this fidget spinner. Oh, I did the same thing. Just lift it. Oh, there. Oh, we might be able to get that now. Oh, this is so hard to do. Oh, that's so close. Alright, we're just gonna go for it. Oh, that was bad.
We got a rock.
Pebble. What is up, Joy fam? I'm here at the claw machine. They've actually got a lot of squeaky toys in here. Just want to see if we can win some. Actually got some good stuff in here, believe it or not. had high hopes for this. Alright, let's try for this penguin right here. Are you kidding me? That is so bad.
There's no way.
There's no way at all. Last try. I'm gonna go for that horse right there. It looks insanely good. Actually, let's go for this Buddha plush. It kind of looks easy. Ooh, it got an emoji wristband. Oh, no way. Oh, ooh, I can probably get that. It says, oh, poop. Alright, I'm gonna go for 2-in-1 right here. Ready for this? 2-in-1, what do you think, Nolan?
I think so.
Ooh, that looks good. Oh my god, look at that. No way, I got
Wow, we got it. We actually got something.
a little wristband. I wonder if I hook something in the loop, if it'll stay. This machine is. That's insane. Let's go for this beautiful, it's pretty easy. Ooh, first try, come on. Oh, I think we can get that actually. Ready? Hey, Nolan. You got a phone here, bud. Alright, let's see. Oh, that looks so good. Come on. Oh my gosh. Not good. Alright. Yeah. It's not just a one-man show.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah.
Mr. One-Man Show.
I'm sure. Oh, come on, grab.
And yes, that is a Cars reference. Why is there pink shit?
Oh my god, really? Alright, let's put the ball. I think this is where it needs to be. Ooh, I wonder which way it's gonna spin. That looks pretty good, actually.
Ooh.
Oh.
You know what?
You know what? Let's just. What's up, Joy fam? Thanks for sticking around the video. So all you have to do to win this fidget spinner, this is actually the exact one I just won from the claw machine in the video, and I actually have the packaging and all that, so you'll be kind of getting it somewhat semi-new. But yeah, I can even sign it if you guys want me to. And I'm gonna be giving this away to one lucky person anywhere in the world. All you gotta do to enter the giveaway is comment down below, like the video, turn on the bell notifications, and make sure you're subscribed. So if you've done all that, you're automatically entered for the giveaway. I'll be pulling the giveaway winner in exactly a week from now, so next Sunday. What is that, May 28th, I think? And I will contact that person. When I pick the giveaway winner, just make sure you have a Facebook so you can personal message me your address information. And then from there, the giveaway winner will be receiving this fidget spinner. And I'll definitely be doing more fidget spinner giveaways in the future. I have a lot of more fun videos that involve these. So that's about it. Make sure you stick around on my channel for more giveaways. Follow the details on how to enter. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.